Hello, Marhaba, Maganan Umaga. I hope everyone is well, all is well. And thanks to God, when we start anything, must have to say thanks to God. Because God blessing, God saying, I give you on mercy you give mercy to other. If you want to come the best, should be give your mercy for everyone. Then God give you on mercy to you. So must be you have to say thanks to Allah, thanks to God. And I am Dr. Muhammad Khan, naturopathic, and I am teaching you for you nature, everything our treatment from the nature. God is giving everything nature. In the farm and go, everything is nature, no chemical. So that's why there everything is alkaline. Water is alkaline, river is alkaline, mount is alkaline, all is God giving the alkaline. Raining is alkaline, fruit is alkaline, vegetable is alkaline. So should be our body is also in alkaline. So so must be you have to take care from stress. The big disease is the stress, master of stress. The stress, the master, master of disease. So you must be take care your stress. Don't bring the stress. If if you have stress, you have all disease. You have cholesterol, you have BP, high BP, sugar, all there is problem. You have, the best cholesterol is the HDL. The bad cholesterol is LDL. So if you are going hospital, sometime making lipid profile, maybe you're going, you can ask the lipid profile. They make big list for you. Already I am talked the lipid profile from the last video. So we no need to discuss this one. Today we are going talking the weight loss, how to make the weight loss. No need any chemical in our body. Just you have to make weight loss by nature. So how you make the weight loss, I will tell you. So you can do in your home, in yourself. You can cure yourself for anything. God giving everything our home. You have ginger your home, you have turmeric your home, you have celery seeds your home. The best medicine, the ginger. How many disease you can protect, how many disease you can cure. The ginger is the very best. So anything, allopathy doctor cannot do the stomach medicine. They are giving only painkiller. But ginger, you are removing all disease from the stomach. You have heart problem, you are not digestion, you are burning here. You can eat ginger, everything finish. You have bacteria, you have virus, your mouth, you are in throat. You eat ginger, the virus will be go far. The virus will, because the ginger is, antibacteria or antioxidant, antifungal, antivirus. The ginger have more than 72 million nutrients. What our body need? Protein, nutrition. If you eat always your nutrition, your protein from where? From the vegetable and the fruit. Whatever you boil and cook, there is no more protein, no more nutrition. So let's go. Halikna Sigena. We'll start to how to weight loss. See, in our naturopathic, no need any medicine. We have 16 plus 8. What the meaning of 16 plus 8? That meaning 8 hours you can eat whatever you want. Not whatever you want. Not means you eat the oily food, you eat burger, you junk food. No. You eat only the living food. Okay? You can eat even chicken 150 gram, your lunch. You can eat fish 150 gram. But you can eat 200 gram for mixed fruits. That is, you have to eat only 8 hours. You choose which time you want to eat. After 8 hours you are not eating. 16 hours you are fasting. Just you can drink green tea or water. You see 1 month in, if you see the picture when you was the young, maybe 20 years or 18 years, after 1 month you coming same that one. Your weight loss, our body, if you go the nature way, how much body need our weight, body will keep, other all waste throwing out. But if you are drinking less water, last video I am talking the how much you have to drink water, then your body coming obesity. Obesity means you are getting fat because your body is dry. Your muscle coming dry. Muscle needs 70% water, brain needs 70% water. Our body, I said, you have your weight is, each weight 20 kg need 1 liter. Your weight is 80 kilo, you need 4 liter water. Your weight is 60 kilo, you need 3 liter water. You every day have to drink water. So then your body coming alkaline. You don't have stress, don't have diabetes, don't have sugar, don't have anything. So this way, you have cancer, you have any disease, you can remove. And your fat loss also, you are coming the fit body. How much I said your body want, your body want fit, you will keep that one. Other one will be removing. So 8 hours you can eat whatever. Example, you are start like a 11 o'clock, or you start from the 1 o'clock. So that 1 o'clock is too far. I means you have to before 6 o'clock. You have to stop your food. Same like you start 10 o'clock. 10 to 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hours. Start 10 o'clock. After 10 to 6. From start you 10 to 6 you can eat whatever else. After 6 o'clock stop. 7 o'clock you can drink water if you want. After that you are sleeping. You are easy for the same like a fasting. This fasting, this means what? This one you are keeping, your body is, making recycling. Our body is hungry, our inside have any disease, the body will be eat that one. Our body will repairing our body itself. So when you are the hunger, you are keeping now 16 hours fast. So that means your body repairing, recycling coming. So recycling means what? Your body self-repairing. You don't need to any medicine. And you have fatness, you have diabetes, you have cancer, you have breast cancer, you have what you call this thyroid, whatever else. You have any disease, they will prepare. So what I said, 10 o'clock from start, your 1 o'clock you can get your lunch, 6 o'clock you get 5:30 like this you get the dinner, 6 o'clock finish. After 6 o'clock you are not eating any fruits, any food, no more. After 7 o'clock you can drink green tea or water, no problem. Until morning. Morning you are 6 o'clock you can drink water, 8 o'clock you can drink ginger tea. Same you have to make route. You see 1 month after how is coming your skin, how is growing your hair, your body. You looks like young. If you are now 40 years, maybe you look like 20 years. This is an easy way weight loss, no chemical going your body. Just eat the fruit and the vegetable. I said when you are eating your food, must be before you eat vegetable. 250, that is must be your how much your weight. Same like that you have to eat how much fruit you have to eat. Like your body is 80 kilo. So 80 times 10, and 800 gram you have to eat food, mixed food, but not eating one time. 1 hour you can eat. And how much you have to eat salad? So 80 divided by 5. So how much coming? So same you have to make like that. So you have to eat salad. Okay, you not found salad, forget. You have moringa. You just take the moringa leaves and make the juice 250 ml. Before you eat, drink this juice, then you eat food. 1 month you see after 1 month. Nobody saying, maybe if you are 1 month you are far, when you go your family maybe not understand who's this beautiful lady, who's the beautiful man. Your body will be coming same like a miracle. So you looks the handsome, you look so beautiful, because this tree is, this tree where the medicine stop not working, this tree the moringa will be work from there. There everything there, A to Z. There is, how much, yani 5 orange and 1 gram moringa tea, the same vitamin C. 46 times more that one. There is lot of protein, lot of nutrition, lot of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin A, K, C or B group. Everything is there. So even you cook rice, you boil the moringa leaves and strainer, then take water, boil that rice, this water inside, and you eat, your diabetes never go up. So first things, this one I said 8 hours you have to eat, and 16 hours you're not eating. Only you want, if you drink water, you can drink water. You see your fat loss. You are maybe 10 days after, you know how much your weight will be lost, and 1 month in you are coming fit body. And if you have more, your weight is 120 or 150, you can keep continuous 3 months. You see after your face, you can see the mirror. You will jealous your face. You think, oh, who's this beauty? Maybe you are sometimes you are what you call this sock. Who's this one? When you see in the mirror, so you see. And second things, there is some people doing the the workout. So there is also 12-hour eating, 12-hour not eating. But this is the best. This is the best. You have to eat. Must be you try to eat always vegetable and the fruits. The vegetable is alkaline. If you eat like a salad, you cut the vegetable, eat the raw. See, you have your if you eat cooked food is died. You are eating, stomach will be coming full, but you are not getting any benefits, because if you eat the vegetable like which form in salad and the fruits, so you have big benefit, and you never come any disease for you. If people have any disease, if you have stop your cooking food, eat this one, your body in any disease have. So our body have carbohydrate. If you eat cook food, your carbohydrate going like 98, 100. But if you eat vegetable, carbohydrate coming down like 8. So your pH level coming strong. The power of hydrogen, your body coming healing power, coming immunity strong, everything. You're never coming virus. Virus why coming? Because your body, your immunity is not strong, your healing power not strong, your body power is not strong. This is, you are the one spoiling your body. You are smoking is very bad. If you smoking, there is more disease. If you drinking, there is more disease. That's why BP, everything. That's why stress coming. You are getting fat because you are not drinking water. You have drink water, but have drink water sip by sip, not drinking, taking bottle inside. No, that is very danger. So that is, you are getting more problems. So that's why I said, if you want to weight loss, you do 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 means 24 hours, the day and night. So we have to eat only day 8 hours. 16 hours we have to fast. So your body automatic recycling coming. You will see even 50 years man, if you keep this one, he looks like a young, like a 20 years. I am challenged because I am doctor, I am naturopathy, because I am never using chemical. And any doctor, if you have the stomach out, he is not doctor, because he cannot treatment himself, how to treatment the public. So that's why I said use nature. Don't put your body in chemical, because God make our body is nature. So from nature, so our must be, we have to keep our body alkaline. Why we keeping our body is acidic? Don't keep acidic. That's why I said ginger always use. Always use ginger. You drink ginger morning and evening, ginger tea. So never get you bacteria, never get corona, never get the positive. Never, I am challenged. You eat, if you said the laboratory you have the positive, you can comment me. Never and ever. When you go outside in public also, you keep mouth in ginger. So your bacteria, your virus never coming there, never coming bad bacteria, never coming bad cells, never coming the virus in your mouth, you're in throat, you're in body. I said always, and every time just use the moringa. You can make powder form also. Use your cooking rice or whatever, anything, salad, you can sprinkle up also in the salad. This is the You have everything, but you are lazy people. You are not doing these things. God giving everything, but your mind not working. You are always running for the chemical. Oh, this medicine, this tablet. You are putting all chemical